Bayan. Kami po man ang chocolate cookie Rinconada from Sandrogi Buhi, Camarines School. Ito pong munting handog na po ito ay galing sa inyo, mga anak or siblings. So, gusto ko pala mag-gusto. I'm Fatima May Maceda, the owner and one of the surprise ambassadors of chocolate cookie Rinconada. And also, I would like to introduce the team Haranista na may kaupo kanimo mga ni mga yun na ceremony. Diba ang magustuhan niyo po ay? Sa buhay palito, kahit lang ang iyong pagmamahal ay matatawag. Kahit sa tingin, kita'y mamamasdan, ligaya'y pinabang, walang hanggang. Ito, requested song po, ading mga higil mo. So, nanay, ako po parang kami please na itatao po para kanimo. So, ako po kami pinagprepara po sa ating Sash with Happy Birthday.
Kalong birthday girl. Birthday girl nga. Letter color pink.
So, of course, pag ako po Sash, deserve niyo pong tawan sa crown. Ayan. Ganda ni ma'am. So, ako po pala picture frame po. And also, ako po pinag-prepara po aling chocolate cookie Rinconada na deserve niyo pong tawan sa regarding certificate. So, ang nakabutan po sa akin is Best Mother of the Year 2025. This certificate is proudly presented to Ma'am Elsa Binasa Mora. Sago po sila kinibong very long message po na babasahan ko po para kanino. So, ready na po yung nanay? Okay po. Samo po. So, our greatest mom, happy 48th birthday. No matter how many times we argue and how many times we don't understand you, and also how many times we get scolded by you, but we still think that you are the best and will always greatest mom. Even though our words will never do enough in thanking you for the great contribution you made in our life. I want you to know we are deeply grateful because God made you as our mother. Sa panahon na sobrang lakas ng ulan, hindi mo kami ipinaghawak ng payo, bagkus tinuruan mo kami humawak ng sariling payo para hindi kami mabasa sa ulan. Ikaw ang rason kung bakit kami matatag at patuloy na lumalaban para sa aming mga pangarap. Kahit anumang pagsubok ang dumating, handa kami at handa kaming harapin lahat ng yon dahil pinalaki mo kaming matatag. Lagi ang tatandaan, Mama, walang makakapantay sa'yo. Kahit si Chloe or Andrew A. taob sa'yo. Ikaw ang pinaka-paborito naming rapper dito sa mundo. You are the best among the rest. We love you so much. Yan. From your sibling. So, please receive your certificate from Ma'am Elsa. Ayan. Bagaman sana Miss Erica 2025. Okay? So, bali man, blow the candle kitang naman.
Nandiyan yung kararo natin nung pag-swimming, di ba? Oo. Tapos yung malaki. Kararo natin. Ay, ako pinabahay. Ano? Kamay bang tusok ka din? Yan. Yan. Malaki yan. Ito na lang. Ito na lang. Ako na ito na. Malaki sa akin. Kung naputol yan. Wala yan. Wala na.
Best ka sa bugi. Santos dito. Ganyan. Naaral pa na.
Naiyak si mama. Naiyak.
Kanta na si mama. Bali. Sabay-sabay tayo kanta ni Happy Birthday.
Ay, wala na.
Si Ma'am Elsa.
Ma'am Elsa. Mariko.
Maling ko kaya.
Elsa. Elsa.
Bon, Tyro.
Pa. Malaki na sulat ko. Pa.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One, two, three. Ayan. Happy
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
So, bali.
Oh, bali ma'am. Did you ever know that you're my hero? And everything I would like to be. I can fly higher than an eagle. For you are the wind beneath my wings. That will be serenade by Kim Her. Sinaman po niya yan. Nasirang pa.
Nagmabidyo.
Hindi mo na ako binabawi ninyo kung rapper San Kaloy.
Isang champion, rapper ka.
Para ka ninyong thank you, ate. Pinaunin yung surprise para ka na ko. Ano, di last birthday ko na.
Okay ka.
Thank you ka ninyong birthday. Thank you, Mom Elsa, for the wonderful message. And of course, I would like to say thank you, Mom, yung mga igin mo, for choosing and trusting the chocolate blueberry Canada. So once again, ito po na yung last happy birthday song, ating celebrant mo na gabi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday. Isukin mo na. Ibaba na.
At kuya,
Ba?